How to turn off Ask Permission to Download app on App Store. Turning off these settings can make a lot easier the process of downloading apps, especially useful if you frequently download apps or updates. To turn off these settings, first of all, launch Settings on your device. Then tap on your Apple ID. From there, you will see Family Sharing option. Simply tap on it. Once you go through there and you have set up your family sharing, then you will see this interface. From here, you have to simply tap on Ask to Buy option. Once you go through it, you have to toggle that off and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily turn off Ask Permission to Download to make easier and quicker to download your apps. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.